In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore and recover deleted tasks and lists in Microsoft To Do. Let's start in Microsoft To Do. Open the app and make sure you're signed in with the same account you normally use. To clearly demonstrate the recovery process, create a quick example. Add a simple task with a name you'll recognize later. Then create a new list using the New List option on the left and give it an easy label. This little setup will make it obvious when the recovery works because you'll see both the list and the task come back. Now delete what you just created, select the list, open its menu, and choose Delete, confirming if you're prompted. Then delete the task you added earlier. At this point, both the list and the task are gone from Microsoft To Do, which can feel alarming if you weren't expecting it. Don't worry, this is where recovery comes in. Here's the key idea. Microsoft To Do stores and syncs your tasks through Outlook. So when you delete tasks or lists in Microsoft To Do, they don't go to a recycle bin inside To Do. Instead, they move to the deleted items folder in Outlook that's tied to your Microsoft account. That's the place you'll use to bring things back. Open Outlook and sign in with the same Microsoft account you used in Today's. In the left navigation, find and open the deleted items folder. Give it a moment to load. Recently deleted content, including to-do tasks and lists, will appear there. Locate the items you want to recover. If you deleted a list and tasks from that list, restore the list first so the tasks have their original home when they return. Right-click the item you want to bring back and choose Restore. Outlook will move it to its original location automatically, so you don't have to guess where it belongs. Switch back to Microsoft To Do and let it sync. In a short time, you should see the restored list reappear on the left and the task return to its original list. If nothing changes right away, refresh the page or wait a little longer for the sync to complete. A steady internet connection helps the sync finish smoothly. A few quick tips. Always confirm you're signed in with the same account in both Outlook and Microsoft To Do because cross-account restores won't work. If you don't see an item in deleted items, use the search bar while staying inside that folder to narrow it down. And remember, deleted items are only kept for a limited time based on your account or organization settings, so try to restore important tasks and lists as soon as you notice they're missing. That's it. You now know how to recover deleted Microsoft To Do tasks and lists using Outlook's deleted items and get everything back where it belongs. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for new updates.